Hello world! Hello to all the visionaries out there! So, I hope na kaya mo kinlik itong video na to kasi nagawa mo na yung YouTube channel mo. Or kung hindi pa, pwede mong balikan yung tutorial natin on how to make a YouTube channel step by step. But in today's video, pag-uusapan natin, how about after you make your YouTube channel? Ano naman ang gagawin mo? So, I will share you also 5 steps on how you will do it. Okay, so let's dive into our video. Okay, so I hope nagawa mo na yung YouTube channel mo. If hindi pa, you can go back into this video kung paano gawin step by step so that you can have an inspiration on how you will do it, your YouTube channel. So after you do your YouTube channel, meron ka pa rin gagawin because this is a career and this is also a business na pwede mong simulan na ngayon. So I will give you 5 tips on how you will do it. Okay, so let's dive into our first tips. Okay, number 1 is to prioritize your consistency. So, kailangan may consistency. At least 1 video a week yung gagawin mo. Kasi nga, yung algorithm prioritize those content creator na consistent. So, ako ngayon, inspire lang kita kasi talagang I want to grow my YouTube channel more often or marami talaga or talagang I desire to grow with my YouTube channel. So, gumawa ko ng dedication na at least 2 videos a week yung gagawin ko. So, again, if you will prioritize your consistency, may makikita kang pag-grow ng YouTube channel mo. So, ako ngayon, nakita ko at least in a week, nadadagdagan sila. So, last week, 121. So, ngayon, I think 135 na yung aking mga subscribers. So, congrats me! So, that is one of the tips that I can give you. Alright, so number 2 na tayo, tell everyone. So, ipagsabi mo, I think this is one of the best tips that I can give you. Kasi, ako intentionally, I tell to the people na ideal viewers ko, especially the digital people. So, I tell them that I have video like this, you can check it out so that you can be inspired. Lalo na yung ginawa ko na what is the habit or what are the habits of a successful people. So, that is my value and I know that that is their value too. That's why nakita ko interested sila doon. That's why I PM them that video. So, nakita ko naman nag-respond yung marami. That's why nagkaroon ako ng 135. Thank you, Lord. Diba? So, yun yung isa sa mga kailangan mong gawin. Tell everyone, friends, families, and ideal clients. Okay, so that's our tips. Number 2. And we have also tips number 3. Yan. So, ito naman para hindi ka, tawag dito, mawalan ng mga ideas kapag nagkaroon ka na ng mga idea, no, naisip mo kasi minsan meron tayong mga naiisip bigla. So, kailangan isulat mo yun. So, take note into your phone or in your laptop or in your desktop, no, gawa ka ng mga gamitin mo yung Google Doc mo para ma-take note mo yun. So, ngayon, gumamit ako ng isang meron akong ginagamit ngayon sa laptop ko, yung Asana. Pwede rin siya sa cellphone. App sila. So, you can do that kasi sa Asana, mas ma-organize mo. And it's free. Totally free. So, you can use that. Hindi ako nag-affiliate kasi wala pang ganun. Naghanap nga ako pero wala pa. Pero, again, you can use Asana also. So that your ideas, no, mailagay mo or kung mabilisan, cellphone mo na. And then, you can chat it down on your Asana. Or, gamitin mo yung Google Sheet, Google Drive, diba? So, you can use that. Because they are totally free. Yan. So, para hindi ka mawalan ng idea. Kapag meron ka nang naisip, isulat. And then, after that, number 4 tips ay kailangan mo ma-stabilize yung brands mo. Yan. So, of course, you are doing business. Alam nyo ba yung YouTube creator or YouTuber it's a business also, no? So, para ma-establish mo yan, kailangan makagawa ka din ng ibang platform. So, kagaya ng nasabi ko, nasabi ko na to often or minsan isa sa mga video ko, yung pwede kasi tayong ma-hack or pwedeng masira yung platform, no? So that ang gagawin mo talaga is you need to establish your brand. So, how you will establish your brand? Yung pwede kang gumawa ng another platform like Facebook page, Instagram. Ngayon, ginagamit na din nila yung TikTok sa mga businesses, no? Hindi lang pang entertainment. So, you can do that. And the best tip that I can give you is to have a website. So, I have a website. Ngayon, kasi yung asawa ko gumagawa siya ng website and I paid I don't know magkano yung year domain ng website namin o website ko, which is the freelancespices.com. You can check that because I have a free business plan checklist sa'yo. So, I will link on the description below so you can have your free business plan checklist and you can check also my website. So, it's simple and clear, no, yung website na yun. So, that is one of the stabilizing brand. So, if you don't have, kung wala ka pa naman talagang ganun na, tawag dito, puhunan, so you can use platform like Facebook page and Instagram so that they can contact you as well. And don't forget to put your Gmail account on those platforms so that they will contact you if ever man na may masira o may mahack. Okay, so that's number 4 tips that I can give you. And last point that I can give you is to grow your audience. So how can we grow our audience? Kagaya din ng number 2, you need to tell it, but this one is you can collaborate to other YouTuber. Yan. So, ako meron akong message na mga YouTuber and yung isa nag-reply na and maghahanap pa ako. Why? Because I want to grow my YouTube channel. So, if you want to grow it, hanap ka din ng mga kagaya ng niche mo na pwede kang makipag-collaborate sa kanila. Yan. So that yung visibility, no, lalong lumawak. Kasi yung mga viewers niya at yung viewers mo, pwede naman kayong mag-collab. So, if they are interested, they will subscribe into your YouTube channel. If their viewers is interested if your viewers is interested to his YouTube channel, they will also subscribe to the YouTube channel na ka-collaborate mo. So, yun, isa yun sa mga on how you will grow your YouTube channel. Tapos, wag mong kalimutan i-promote, no, dun sa mga platform mo. So, I suggest that your platform, ako kasi pina-prioritize ko talaga yung YouTube ngayon. So, gagamitin mo yung Instagram and ginagamit ko yung Instagram and Facebook page para ma-promote ko palalo yung YouTube channel ko. And my Facebook page helped me a lot. Kasi sa Facebook page kasi nasasalak ko lalo yung mga digital people o digital visionaries. So, that's our video today. That's my 5 tips that I can give you. Ulitin natin. Prioritize consistency. Tell everyone, ipagsabi mo, and then isulat mo yung mga ideas mo. Number 4, you need to establish your brands. You need to make another platform and see to it you have a contact on your platform. And then number 5, you need to grow your audience by promoting it to your platform, and you can also do collaboration. So that's it for our video today, and I hope nakatulong sa'yo. And again, kung hindi mo pa nagawa yung YouTube channel mo, you can go back to my tutorial on how to make a YouTube channel step by step, and after that, you can go back again here so that you will know what is the strategy on your part para matulungan mo mag-grow yung YouTube channel mo. That's it for our video today. God bless you and see you on another video. And wait lang, don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends also, and click the notification bells because because every time that I will upload another video, ma-notify ka. Bye! See you. God bless!